Welcome to the channel, Ahilan here, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about affiliate marketing, and in specific affiliate marketing for beginners, and I'm going to give you my top 6 sites, affiliate sites to use as a beginner starting out. So let's get into the video. So the first site is Jvzoo. It's an information product site. This typically sells courses to people on different types of niches. It could be business, it could be health and fitness, it could be for remedies, etc. Right? So that's Jvzoo. And as well as the second one is Clickbank. And Clickbank and Jvzoo are synonymous. So they're very similar. They're basically the same. And it's an information product site. And as you can see, there's a bunch of categories you can browse. So arts and entertainment, business, investing, computers, internet, education, jobs, games, etc. So this is another site you can use that sells information products. Now, if I had to recommend one out of the two, I would say I would lean more towards Clickbank, because Jvzoo vendors can refuse to pay out their affiliates, while as Clickbank doesn't do that. So I would recommend using Clickbank over Jvzoo. And on that note, on that same note, I want to touch on these two information sites in particular. Now, you see, the thing is, from my experience and observations with using Clickbank and Jvzoo, they don't sell the most or the best high quality products. They're very cheap and subpar products in regards to delivery of the content. So again, it's heavily information product based. Those are the types of products they have. But what I'm trying to say is, I don't want to say that they're shady, but let's just say a lot of their products and courses and information products that they sell are exaggerated, right? Are heavily exaggerated and or overhyped, and they don't really deliver on their promises, right? So I started out using Clickbank and Jvzoo. That's why they're in this recommendation list, and it's a great place to get your feet wet to start off as an affiliate marketer. But you definitely want to branch off to other things, which I will get into as well. And again, they are not necessarily the best products, right? They're not high quality products that they sell. So that's from my experience, and that's why I don't really heavily promote it or heavily do it anymore. As a beginner, I did use both Clickbank and Jvzoo. I made a few commissions here and there, but again, it's very low ticket, and it's very again, the products are not the best. You know, my philosophy with affiliate marketing is you want to promote products that you trust and that you believe in. So products you would use yourself, and products you would buy yourself and use yourself, and you would recommend to others, right? So that's my philosophy. So again, great place to start out, but definitely not the best in my humble opinion. So the third affiliate site I want to recommend is Amazon Associates. Now, Amazon Associates, you can earn up to 1 to 10% of commissions from referring people to products on the Amazon website. Now, the cool thing about Amazon Associates is that they have sticky cookies. So they have a 24-hour cookie that will track the customer's buying activity. Now, let's say you referred someone to buy a shoe, right? But they ended up buying, let's say, a watch, or a t-shirt, or a book, or a barbecue, or a toaster, etc. You still get a commission on that, right? Because regardless of what product they bought, you get rewarded by Amazon for driving the traffic to their site, right? So it doesn't matter what product they buy within that 24-hour window. If they buy a different product and they don't buy the product you refer them to, you still get a commission. So that's a really cool thing about Amazon Associates. Now, Amazon Associates comes with a lot of rules and policies and regulations that you have to follow. So I'm going to probably do a separate video on that in specific, because there are a lot of regulations and things you need to follow so you don't get in trouble, so that you don't get your account terminated. And again, right, there's a lot of red tape and such, but again, I'll get into that in a different video, right, in regards to the do's and don'ts of Amazon Associates. So I highly recommend getting into Amazon Associates and signing up and using this affiliate site as a beginner. The next one is Shopify, right? Shopify on average pays $58 for each sign up, and then They also pay upwards to 2,000 for each plus referral, right? So Shopify is a payment gateway. I'm pretty sure you've seen those Shopify advertisements on YouTube where people are making sites and they're using Shopify and they're making, supposedly making, tens of thousands of dollars every single month, right? But they typically are reporting their revenue and not net income. Anyways, I'm going on a tangent, but that's a story for another video. It's a great way to make affiliate commissions with Shopify. It's a reputable brand, and the primary way to make sales as an affiliate for Shopify is to create your own YouTube channel and to show people how to use Shopify and then refer them using your affiliate link. And that's primarily the best way to get your affiliate sales for Shopify. Now there's Clickfunnels. Clickfunnels is a service provider. It's a email marketing tool that helps with conversions, right? In regards to, let's say you're selling a course, you can use Clickfunnels as the email marketing provider to create the landing page and a whole bunch of other things as well. Now Clickfunnels is a really, really good program that I highly recommend in regards to affiliate marketing, right? They pay out continuity income, right? You get a residual, right? You get a residual off the lifetime value of the customer. So as long as the customer stays signed up, you get paid a residual income recurringly month after month after month. And on top of that, Clickfunnels comes with its own training program, right? It comes with its own boot camp that they give you for free because they want their affiliates trained and to be equipped with the best techniques, strategies, and knowledge for affiliate marketing, right? And their philosophy is, if you win, they win too, right? Because they also get that lifetime value of the customer, and they pay out really well, and they have a whole bunch of other reward programs alongside with it. So an affiliate site that comes with not only a continuity income, so residual income month after month, based on the lifetime value of the customer as long as they stay signed up, but it also comes with a training program. So it's completely free, absolutely free to use. So I think that's a no-brainer. Again, this is definitely on my top recommendation list to use as an affiliate. So Clickfunnels is my recommendation as well. Then there's Leadpages. Leadpages, you have to apply. There's an application, and you have to have your own audience. It's similar to Clickfunnels. It has a 30% recurring commission as long as the referred customer remains a Leadpage customer. So this is a email autoresponder kind of service similar to Aweber, and it has a good recurring commission just like Clickfunnels. However, there is a bit more, red tape, or there's more of a criteria or hoops to jump into because they won't accept just anyone. You have to apply. Let's see. Yeah, as you can see, you have to apply, and there's a bunch of information they ask, and they don't accept everyone because they want you to have your own audience, right? They want to make sure that you're the right type of person promoting their service, right? So that's going to be all for this video for affiliate marketing for beginners. Now, these affiliate sites are the easiest ways to start off making money online. So as you can see, Jvzoo, Clickbank, Amazon Associates, Shopify, Clickfunnels, and lastly, Leadpages. So that's going to be all for this video in regards to affiliate marketing for beginners. I will soon get into more step-by-step tutorials on how to make money using affiliate marketing, but that's going to be all for this video. If you found it helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.